Jasleen and you are welcome to my channel Jasleen Creations. Today I am going to show you how to make this beautiful quill Popup Rakhi card for your brother, and I will show you how to create the Popup row word. So let's start with procedure. For this we need red, yellow color cardstock, one border punch, star punch, border tape, green cellular tape, border lace, scissor, paper cutter, liquid glue, one not working pen, yellow color 10 mm strip and some multicolored 3 mm quilling strips. First I will decorate the front. So I am taking 2 strips of yellow color and making one tight coil. Like this. I have already connected one tight coil in the center part of the card. Now I am taking 1/4 strip of light blue color and making one loose coil. Like this. In the same way I have created total 9 coils. Now I will add this coil around the yellow tight coil. Now I will wrap one violet strip around this blue tight coil in order to make a ring. Like this. So add glue in the strip and add like this. Secure the end. So it's done. Now I am taking 1/4 strip of yellow and 1/4 strip of light green and making one tight teardrop shape. Like this. In the same way, I have created total 20 teardrops. So I will add these teardrops around this ring. So it's done. Now I am taking again one purple strip and wrapping it around the teardrop. This time I am using total 2 purple strips. So I am making one ring directly on the card base. So it's done. Now I am creating one ring using this blue cap which is having 5.5 cm approx diameter. You can use any circular cap. Secure it by using glue. Now remove it from the cap. Now I will connect this ring to the card base like this. Now add glue in the ring and connect the ring in the card paper. So I am taking this 1/3 strip of white color and making one leaf shape. Like this. In the same way I have created total 22 leaf shape. So I will connect these leaves in the zigzag manner. So continue this process for the whole ring. And after adding, it will look like this. I have also added some pink color and orange color tight coils to fill the extra gap by taking 1/4 strip of pink color and making one tight coil. Now I am taking half strip of light blue color and I have added 1/4 strip of purple color to make a loose coil. Make a leaf shape like this. In the same way, I have created total 21 leaf shapes. So I will connect the leaf shape and the kundan stones alternatively around this ring. So after adding, it will look like this. Now I will show you how to create the thread of the Rakhi pattern, which I have already created on the one side. For this, I am taking one white strip. Just make coil first and hold this coil to get a curl. Now just twist the curl by using your finger and make it perfect and thin. Cut excess strip. So this is the quilt thread. So I will connect this thread with the Rakhi like this. I have also created one fringe flower. So I will show you how to create the other. For this I am taking half strip of 10 mm and making some fringes like this. Now I am taking my quilling tool and making one tight coil like this. Secure the end using glue. Now open all the fringe parts like this. So the fringe flower is ready. Now I am connecting this fringe flower as a tassel of the thread end. So the front part of the card is done. Now I am connecting one punch border tape to decorate this card. Cut excess border. So the front part of the card is ready. Now I am taking one yellow cardstock and I have printed the broad word in this paper. I am just aligning this printout in the top of the yellow card base. Now just secure it by using some tape. Remember one thing, all the bold lines you need to cut and all the dash line you need to crease. So now take your paper cutter and start cutting this bold line. Do it very slowly and carefully. Now I am creasing all the dash line using my not working pen. So now remove the printed paper and remove all the excess cutting from this yellow paper like this. So it's done. Now pull all the letters slowly and fold all the crease parts and close your card very carefully. So it's done like this. Fix like this. I have created one line using my pencil. I am cutting this excess paper using my scissors. Now I will cut two-side border of the yellow paper. So I am marking just 1 centimeter on both the sides. I am cutting the strip so that we will get 1 centimeter border when we will attach this in our red card paper. Now add glue and connect the yellow card paper with the red card paper, which measures 26 by 21 centimeter. So it's done. I have also added some blue and green borders to decorate the side of the inside card. Like this. I am also adding some fun star to decorate the card from inside. Connect like this. So it's done. The beautiful and easy Rakhi card is ready. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos.